By the chair. You wild guy. Oh, hello. Come in. How you doing?
Fine, sir.
Right. That was my friend from US.
Yeah.
And he was on the plane that just landed. He's brought all the documents that we need. You see? So now the ball is in your court.
Don't worry. I will deliver.
Are you sure?
I am very certain.
You see, my problem is we don't have much time. We don't have much time. And if you don't act quickly enough for me, then I think I have to go in for another agent.
Don't worry. It will not come to that. See, I am the best agent you can get on campus. Trust me. Yes. Considering the money that I will make if this deal goes through, I am willing to put my bet on it. I will hand you a list of more than 30 students who are signed up.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. And notices have been served all over campus. Already, I have not less than 15 serious-minded students who are willing to part with some serious dollars for the traveling documents, the visa, welcome invitation, and take it.
Right.
No, I am sure they are signing up. Don't worry. Right. I will hand you the list by tomorrow so that payment can start as soon as possible.
What price did we agree on?
$1,000 for students and $1,500 for others.
Good, right. But I want you to tell them that they have only 2 weeks. That is 14 days, right? And I think I will take your word for it. But first in the morning, I want you to get me the list. And also, I want you to tell them that I'm not going to take any kind of excuses about payment. You know, I don't have all the time in the world.
Consider it done.
Okay. Right. I think I can see my friend now. Catch you then.
Okay.
Right. Have a nice day. Right?
Yeah. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
That was the man.
Kwame. Charlie, I don't trust this guy.
Haven't you heard of the special holiday camp package the guys are organizing to the US?
What's that?
For $1,000, you get a ticket, a visa, an assured work in the US for the holidays. And I think it's, such a good deal. It removes our hassle.
If you want to travel, I would advise you organize it yourself. Each step, it's safer.
It is true. But the problem is with exams and everything, it would be more convenient to have someone sort them out for you,
There are some things you have to do yourself. Okay? Most things that come cheap are suspect.
And penisem. Hey!
Laugh. Go ahead. Laugh all you can.
You have something to say about everything. Hey!
Boom! Champion Bakope! 419 Commando.
The boys are hooked. The rest is to make sure that we give them the needed effort in order to ensure they pay up.
So you smart devil. Bonsam no. So what's the next deal, man?
Good.
See, straight into action. We need to organize some kind of talk for them at their school. And then secondly, we set out our modalities. Come on.
So the students, I didn't know about the real deal?
About what?
The real deal.
That's not.
Charlie, what's up, guys?
Bad deal! Hey, Charlie, man, what it be?
Charlie, chill.
Why, he no tell you, He no tell you what they go on.
What's cooking?
My bro, he be right safe, I no go ball. Your man set up travel agency. I don't know whether he be expatriate human resource specialist. I know if he know what to
Say again. Look, why can't you keep your bloody trap shut for a second?
Cause you are my bro. A bonsoir. You better not come.
I won't shut up the man.
Buddy. Hey, buddy.
Listen now.
I no tell you, your man love her. He break me for back. You know you want to talk at the gym.
You know where? Man, no, what is music about? But Charlie, what is wrong with you?
My mouth. I want one proper.
How many girls did you say you have registered?
20.
Good. The number is rising nicely.
Yeah. Hey, me, I hope everything is above board. I don't want any trouble.
Don't worry. I am in control.
And I told them the talk is at 3.
Lovely.
And my cat.
Cool chill. $10 per head.
When do I get paid?
Hey, you like money. Oh.
Hey, who doesn't?
Cool down, yeah? When my people come this afternoon, I'll sort you out, alright?
Okay. Then let me save my units. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Take care, yeah?
Yes!
Guys, there's definitely something up.
Mama, what's up? Out of the loop, bro. Ask him.
Sorry, guys. I have to make a quick trip to the hall to check a few things. I'll see you guys later, yeah?
I'll bring for Nana.
I have to get to the bottom of this, guys. Okay, we've all got it sewn, tapes, forms, documentation, and I think everything is ready. We need to go take some baths.
Good. Okay.
Let's get the show on the road.
Okay. Ready? Sharp. Forward. Okay. Right.
I'm here. What's up, G?
I can't come your next So, yeah.
Perhaps, Kwame, a little bit of etiquette will be in order.
Say what?
Charlie, dog more.
No, what be that?
Charlie, cool, chill. Man, make you talk business and so, the people when they come.
Oh, did they come this afternoon? Most definitely. That's why I'm here. You get the dough?
Oh, of course, man, of course. Look, I've told you money is not the problem.
Good.
Cool, chill.
Easy.
$1,000 US plus my passport. Cool, chill. What I see.
In a big. Charlie, keep it here. They'll be here this afternoon. We'll see what's up. You know what I mean? This afternoon.
Oh, in the big. In the big. What? Yankee? Here I come, baby.
Those are my people. See? Put the side for fire.
You don't need to panic, eh? The fire brigade is here.
Get off.
Right, come and meet Jeff and Oliver.
How are you doing, man?
You're right, partner.
All right. Fox, come over here. It's our contact man. I mean, the main man. And Jeff and Oliver just came from New York by KLM this very morning for the meeting.
How are you going on with the statistics, mate?
At the moment, we have about 50 registered. Close to 20 of them are here. The rest have lectures and stuff that has been scattered. But I'm sure they will all fall through before it's all over.
Lovely job, Nick. You're a smart boy, man.
What are we waiting for then? Let's get this thing going. I got to be back in LA by Wednesday.
Are we ready?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go.
LA by Wednesday.
Let's move. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we have some handsome gentlemen here. The first person is Mr. Jeffrey North. Mr. North has master's degree in human resource administration from Harvard. He's been with this travel consultation for more than 10 years. Yeah. He just arrived from the US of A. Hi. Yeah. Next to him is Mr. Ado. Mr. Ado is the local rep. He's the local representative. Let's give it up. Right. Lastly is Mr. Oliver Boateng. Mr. Boateng is the operations manager. He makes things move. He also arrived from the US of A this morning.
Hello.
Yeah. They are here basically to answer all our questions and to collect our passport forms and money if we have them. And to make sure that come this summer, we'll all be in the US of A. Let's give it up for them. Thank you very much.
The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
People, you don't know where they're going.
Right. What's the going?
Charlie, Kwame is still at his travel agency, Shari. He's brought in some shady looking guys to come and have a meeting.
Shady looking guys. Kwame, how?
So he still hasn't told you?
And as I remember, you refused to tell us too, so Charlie.
No.
Chuck.
Okay. Right now I'll go break the news. Kwame 10 visa contractor.
Huh? Kwame?
Buddy. He's brought in an outside client.
Since when?
Since he met that man Ado.
Ado. Who be Ado?
A guy he met at the party. I remember we've been to his place a few times. This man they use for some car. He has some boutique for the Braka. But the man they saw some be crook. Trust me.
Kwame. Shady looking guys. When did they have that congress or meeting or seminar or whatever?
Well, you day back. Right now as we they talk, they go on for the central classroom block. Trust me.
Kwame. Where you know brief ourselves? Charlie people.
Hello, brethren. Another merrymaking. I hope I'm invited to your malt.
So you know stop this thing from first year.
Some beer.
Thank you very much.
You want some of my Amstel?
Sure.
One Amstel for Dr. Kojo Amponsa, the great.
God bless you.
Must I drink that thing and stop that thing? God bless you.
But have you guys perchance seen my roommate Martin?
I'm not going to shock saying self day the meeting under.
By all means.
I beg your pardon.
stop doing your old British gentleman thing for you and make you look and drink them out.
Dr. Moza, let's go. Charlie.
So you take them out, go.
Yeah, so let's bottom line, folks. You can make close to $3,000 in 10 weeks under our scheme for a price of $1,000. Just check the projections. Are you ready, man?
Thank you, pal. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We know the stresses you guys go through to secure visas, work passes, accommodation, and etc. What we have created is just a one-stop shop where you get everything here, less the price you're going to pay. Anyway, but without that hustle. You stay in school, concentrate on your academic work, and we go for the business. Thank you.
I told you this thing is incredible. Look, come and try.
It looks attractive. I hope they have a proper paperwork.
Of course, I mean, you can see it.
Ladies and gentlemen, any questions?
I am all for this. But I want to know, how long is this process supposed to take?
Maximum of 1 week. But you see, if you have your passport, you just go ahead and fill the form and then pay your money now, right?
Thank you.
How come the price is so cheap? Considering the price of a ticket to the US, normal visa fee and so on, I would think $1,000 a trifle low. What's the catch?
The answer is simple. It's economy of scale. You know, our organization runs a lot of this in other countries, over 20 of them actually. Because of this, we enjoy discounts from the airlines.
This time I've heard of this. Excuse me, will you behave? These people have come all the way from the US to help us. And see how you are talking. Some of you have been there, some of us have not.
Sycophant.
Aliyah, your sister doesn't seem to be doing too well up there.
Suit her. Falling all over like that.
Shall we be honest? Have a little mercy for poor Islam.
Any more questions? Oh, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I just wanted to know, what is the specific name of your company, or is it consultancy? And what is its country of origin? Where is it registered at? I want to know, is it registered in Ghana as well?
Our name. You want to know our name? Travel Fixes. That's our name. You see, the company was first registered in New York. And yes, we have a branch in Ghana over here. Excuse me.
Big things that go on here.
No. The castle is. I haven't seen the best of them yet. Something like that. I don't know whether it be articulator in picking on. They say limos.
Over. All that glitters isn't good, brother. Doomsday prophet. Don't mind us.
This man said, so yeah, Britain, so Shakespeare in Canada.
It's a piece of cake, man.
I know hasty celebration. We are not out of the woods yet. Okay?
You can ask any secrets otherwise. But for those who are satisfied, please, our next meeting will be tomorrow at our place. That's our office at the airport, right?
Trouble.
Wow.
He's a wanted man. Huh? I just saw his picture on the Interpol network. Kwame Bonsu, wanted for drug peddling offenses in Illinois, USA.
Kojo, are you serious?
Unless I am blind. Unless I am blind. I mean, I saw it.
Stop. Mr. Amonsan, nobody invited you here.
Yeah.
This is a business meeting, strictly by invitation. You have no right to walk in here and cause confusion.
Yes, I know nobody invited me here. My mode of entry is mute. Just to surface and say I have found a fugitive.
Kojo.
The best way to be sure is to check. Kojo, what do you mean? Okay. Let him provide some information, some documentation. Then we can cross-check on the internet. I saw him.
Ladies and gentlemen, see, we came here for one purpose, and that purpose is to help you travel out. But if you people don't need our help, then I'm afraid we're too late. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Man, not so fast.
How dare you? You can't be strangers. How dare you? This is
Family friend consulted us. Come on. The guys, I don't know them. You should see some of us. They are genuine. Genuine in one case. Look at them.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine